Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux installation and configuration. So let's get started. To install WSL, first we need to enable this option from Windows. For that we have to go to Start and search for Turn Windows feature on and off. Need to scroll down and there you can see Windows Subsystem for Linux option. Just check that option and click OK. It will take some time for installation and configuration. After that it will ask for restart, so you have to restart your system. After restarting, you have to install WSL update, which you can download from link I will provide in description. So you can take the link and download. WSL update I already downloaded, so just need to install it. When this installation finish, after that we need to install Linux distro. For that we have to go to Start and Microsoft Store. In search option, just search Linux, enter. It will give you a lot of options. We are going to install Ubuntu. Just click on Ubuntu and check on Get. It will take some time to initialize and download Ubuntu. So let it be download. We will come back. So guys, as downloaded, we need to open it. It will take again some time for installation. So as installation is finished, it will ask you to create a user and password. So you have to create your username and you need to set the password. So we have to we configured the WSL successfully. To check the status of WSL, we have to go to Start, PowerShell, run as administrator. To type the command WSL -L -v. As you can see, our Ubuntu status is running and it's version 1. To convert WSL on version 2, for that we have to again go to Start, turn Windows feature on and off. Scroll down and you have to check this virtual machine platform option. Currently I am installing WSL on virtual machine, so my CPU don't have a virtualization option, so it will not configure here. So you have to check this option, click OK. It will reconfigure and ask you to restart. After restart, you have to again come here in PowerShell, run as administrator, and you have to run this command for convert it to version 2. X minus version, give you distro name. As you can see, I'm getting an error. Please enable the virtual machine platform Windows feature and ensure virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. So if you are installing on a local system, you surely install this one. You don't get the error. To check the physical location of your WSL installation, Ubuntu OS, you have to go to Start and there you need to type WSL and your distro name. It will open the physical location of your Ubuntu distro. So guys, hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.